In the ever-evolving world of agriculture, efficiency and productivity are paramount. Utilizing Kubota Tractors is a game changer. These powerful machines are engineered for versatility and endurance, allowing you to tackle diverse tasks from tilling to planting. Their user-friendly design simplifies operations, making it easier for both seasoned farmers and newcomers to harness their potential. Another essential tool in your arsenal is the Kubota Harvester, which streamlines the harvesting process. This innovative equipment ensures a swift and efficient harvest, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. Its advanced technology not only reduces labor costs but also enhances the quality of your produce, keeping your business competitive. Investing in both Kubota tractors and harvesters not only optimizes your workflow, but also allows you to focus more on expanding your business, leading to greater profitability and sustainable growth. Invest now and call 0917-862-7030. All units are available for cash or easy installment option. Invest early now and grow your agribusiness by using reliable equipments like Kubota. Avail our easy installment plan. 20% low down payment, 5 years to pay, twice a year ang hulog. Tawag at tuparin ang iyong pangarap. Hoenswam 7862730. Look for Ronald.
Tawag na at i-avail ang sulit na promo na ito.
For 917-862-7030. Hanapin si Ronald. Quality and reliable brand new tractor and harvester. Ready to avail sa Cashman o hulugan. Tawag na. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more special offer like this.